and it's been a hot minute here, but I've been busy. There's been a lot of back to school events at my other job. And then this past weekend, I did my very first ladies kingfish fishing tournament. I will post a video. I think I'm gonna paint a fish on myself, and then I'll narrate with some of the highlights of my fishing tournament. Very first one. But I have to do an unboxing because I got some brand new KrazeFX stuff here. This is from facepaint.com. I do have a code, so you do get 15% off if you use code Yvonne15 on all KrazeFX products. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. So first of all, KrazeFX does have its own line of sponges. So of course I got several sponges. You have to have multiple of the same one. And the KrazeFX sponges are black. You can see right here, this is their petal sponge, brand new. I got a whole bunch of them because you need to have a lot of sponges, especially when you do high volume events. And then they also do have the half moon shaped ones as well. They're also black. Let me go ahead and open one up so you can see here. Ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. All right. So yeah, they're pretty nice. I like how dense they feel. So these should be really good. I'll be testing them out. I did also get a large silicone brush for my glitter gels. I got several solid paints. So even if you don't use my code, but I hope you do, right? Yvonne15, I'll put it right here. Facepaint.com always has some really good deals, bundles that you can get. So you could get like 3 KrazeFX paints, and then you get like a discount for getting the 3 bundles. So, you know, you always get the best value for your money. So let me start off with, I got this one. It's called Galaxia by Tamina. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know. I might use this one for my fish. I really like it. Look at all those colors there. Let me see if I can open it up so you can see it. Ooh, I think it's sealed. But see, you can see those beautiful colors there. So I think I'm going to try this one out. And then, of course, I had to get a one that was red, white, and blue because I could not find my red, white, and blue for the World Cup or for 4th of July. So I got this one because this definitely will be a staple in my face painting kit. And then let me show you all the KrazeFX solids that I got. I got a lot of neons, but I want to create my own split cakes. And just take a look at these. They're square, and so it's very easy to cut, slice, and piece it together. So this one is light blue, okay? And then this one is neon blue. So you could definitely see a color difference there. And of course, the neon ones are UV reactive, okay? I did also get this neon green. See the color right there, neon green. And I got this neon yellow. All right, and this is yellow. So look at the yellow and the neon yellow side by side. This has more of a golden hue, and of course this is bright fluorescent. So that's the difference right there. And then I did also get orange. That's a nice bright orange. But here we go, we got neon orange as well. And there definitely is a difference. You could see right there. Again, neon will be UV reactive, and then this will be solid. I want to do a tiger split, so that's why I got the orange and the yellow. So I'll probably split this one in half and do a tiger split for my tigers. Then I also got this coral pink. I thought it was so pretty, such a beautiful color. But of course, you can't miss the neon pink. Look at how bright that is. So those neons, I mean, there is no filter on here, guys. Look at that. That looks really cool. And then the last ones that I got here, I got neon purple, super pretty, super bright, and then light purple. Okay, and again, I'm going to do some split cakes. So I will do some videos with that so you can see, and I will put the total of my order right here. Facepaint.com, use code Yvonne15.